How to be better than 80% of traders in less than 1 month? I think many of you ask to yourself this question, how to make money on market, but before you do it, you need to understand what skills you need to have, because in most cases when we speak about trading, we speak about retail trading, because we are retail traders. What does it mean, retail? We don't have access to information which have institutional guys, institutional people. We don't have access to software which they use, but we need to know what is our positive side and how we can benefit. My name is Yuri. I'm top author on TradingView. This lesson created only by me. I ask you to smash like button for YouTube algorithms and write some comments below to promote this lesson, because when YouTube see it, it's show it to more people. Lesson plan. Four major cycles which you need to go through before become a pro, and how to be better than 70, like nearly 80% traders in less than 1 month. Let's do it. Do you know where you are? Because when you start your trading career, most of you don't know where you are. You think like after a few weeks you'll be a millionaire or you will be a pro because you found some ad on YouTube, like some people just sit on a couch and make money, a lot of money, and how can you be part of them? That's the main question here. You need to remember always, when you will start your trading path, in most cases you will start from this. There were only one exception. I call it a lucky start. It is if you start from like it was 2017 crypto market, when you open chart and you doesn't matter where you open buy, the chart always was this till the end of 2018. Doesn't matter where you open buy on Bitcoin, the same price, just rising. I call it lucky start. Some people will have this lucky start, but most not. That's why most people will start from this loose end. And why I told that nearly how you can be better than 70%, because I have a place where I took that number. And take a look here. Admiral Markets, one of the biggest brokers. I took one of the three biggest brokers which regulated by United Kingdom. And I took their statistic, because according to that regulations, they need to show a number of people who lose money with them. And as you can see, Admiral Markets, 81% of retail investors are lose money trading with this guys. Just imagine 91%, 81%. If you don't lose, you better than 81%. As you can see on FXCM, 75%. Like the numbers here better. I don't know why, but it's huge difference. It's on 25% bigger. Like on Admiral Markets, 90% of people don't lose. Here, 24% of people don't lose, but it's really bigger. And on broker, which I personally use, AxiTrader. As you can see, broker which I personally use, 72% numbers here is the best, nearly on 50% better than here. I don't know why, but still, if you lose money, that means you are in this from 70 to 80% of people if you trade through regulated broker. But I believe if you don't trade through regulated broker, numbers could be even worse. That's why first what you need to do if you are here is to stop losing. Your goal for a start must be, what should I do? What should I do to stop losing? That's all the time you need to ask yourself. And I have a solution to you, because as you can see, as you remember, name of this lesson, how you can be better than 80% of people in less than 1 month. If you will implement it, you will be how to be better. Very simple, don't lose. Okay, how to stop losing. First, never start on big account. I think on our YouTube channel we have a lesson about scam brokers or something like that, and to example how one woman lost 6 million. Links will be below. It doesn't matter what account size you have. If you don't know what to do, you will lose money. That's the reason why you should stop losing, and you should start from small account. And that's the main reason. Never listen when someone convince you open account, like open 100k account, something like that. If you are a beginner, you don't need more than 1000 USD on your account. Just forget about more. Why? because with huge possibility you will lose first account, and far better if you will lose small account than if you will lose bigger account. It's really simple. Just don't deposit more than 1000 USD till you will be consistently profitable few months in a row. That's all. Master money management. Many people who write to me from TradingView and to get consultation, get some lessons when they join our course. By the way, below this video you'll find a link on our free step-by-step plan workshop, how to build your strategy. Or if you want to learn how to trade properly, right below you will get contacts of my team. And when most of the people write to me and they show their statistic, main problem at the beginning, first, it's too much money on their account. Second one, they don't have even good risk reward. What does it mean? They don't know even how to set proper stop loss per position. For example, how to always have 5 USD risk per position. You always need to have small risk per position, the same risk per position. How to take 1 to 3 risk reward. These simple and basic questions you need to know if you start. And for beginner, if you're a beginner, you need to learn it even before you start trading on real account. That's why, as you see, if you will learn it, how to set 5 USD risk per position, you will need 100 trades to lose 500 USD. 100 trades in a row. Believe me, it's not easy even to do it. Avoid scam brokers. Lesson about scam brokers will be below. It's really important because if you're a beginner, there would be many sharks which will want to eat you and your money. If someone convinces you that you need deposit more than 100, all your money, 100k, 1 million to make money, it's a scam. Because when you are a beginner, you will not make. Your first goal is stop losing and to understand where you are. Learn good strategy based on buyers and sellers. All markets based on buyers and sellers, that someone buy and someone sell. And our goal is to find best places when, for example, sellers would quit and we will be able to follow with them. And that's the reason why I use key levels and ATR together. By the way, you can subscribe on this YouTube and you will find a lot of lesson about ATR and key level. And what is really important is to find a good places where some players will quit and you will open a trade. That's how market build. Market does not build by some head and shoulders, some channels, even levels not good without understanding where stop losses can be hidden. That's the main point. All markets based on that there are some people who want to make money and they need energy volume to take it for making profit. That's all. That's how market build. And you need to follow it and master it with low risk. Once more, at the beginning, you don't need to open one lot size, something like that on your position. Why? Because if you are a beginner, you need to learn how to at least work with 5 USD risk per position. Example for you of my student, one of my students, I'm really proud of him. His name is Dmitry. His statistic of my student, I'm really proud of him because when we started, as you can see, when we started our cooperation, it was his statistic before, and after that, when we start working together, take a look how he changed his approach. First, he learned how to start with small risk per position. It was his risk. As you can see, his risk was nearly 5 USD per trade. Why it's so important? Because if you have only 5 USD risk per trade, it's only 1 coffee in big city, like 2 coffees in small cities. It's not big money. They will not influence on your life dramatically if you will lose it. And as you can see, we learn how to take at least 1 to 3 risk reward. What does it mean? He put into risk 5 USD to get 15 USD in reward when he write and price moves into his favor. In that case, he profitable even when he have 30% of win rate. Only 30%, just imagine. He made 10 trades, 7 in loss, 3 positive, and he still makes money. That's how we started our approach. When he have 40 or 50 or even 60% of win rate, it's huge amount of, it's really huge, and his mathematical expectancy decreased dramatically. And after that, as you can see, even one good trade better in many times than some stop losses. That's example how you should trade. That's example. Small risk and reward at the beginning, at least 1 to 3. Learn how to take risk reward 1 to 3. And when you will have 1, 2, 3 months in a row positive, you will be able to withdraw. When you will have at least 1, 2, 3 months in a row positive, you will be able to increase your capital. At this moment, my friends, I ask you right now, write a comment below this video and write how did you start your career, what do you need to do to become profitable in the first month or to be better than 80% of people. Also write your questions which you have about trading, maybe you have some suggestions. And what else, those of you who write the best comment, I will give some gift. I will do some gift, maybe one face-to-face consultation for those who write the best comment, the most interesting comment below this video. And also, if you want to build your step-by-step strategy to become professional and trader which make money, below this video you can find our free course and you can join my personal mentorship, and I'll help you to build the strategy and do some result. That's why, see you, my friend. Bye.